Welcome to Lavantine Street. Lavantine. Gotta get used to saying that. This is Mi Hacienda. Promise to do a little bit of a tour. I like the fact that it's gated, so my daughter can actually play in a little area right here. That way, you know, when we are in the upstairs or in the kitchen, you know, taking care of business or whatever we're doing, she can actually play around here without any problems. It's pretty huge. So let's just say if you was to seat anybody, probably seat about 25 to 30 people without any problem. Yeah, I got this little overhead right here, which is really cool. It's a shaded area, so the walkway is actually shaded. So that's really cool. You know, shaded area. You can walk in and have some shade, yeah, especially when it's a sunny day out. It's really shaded. Gotta take your shoes off, your slippers off before you walk in. It's kind of like a thing here in Asia. Us Westerners are not used to it, but something to get used to. The living room area with accented lights. I normally don't use these lights because you know, you don't want to use up too much electricity, and you know, that's one thing I'm good with, conserving energy. So like I said, I'm only using it right now for the purpose of this video. My wife is over here. She doesn't like to be on camera too much. Hiding her face. The 5-year-old is passed out on the couch. She's taking her afternoon nap. Wow. Yeah, this is the living room area. You have an air conditioning unit in the living room to keep the room clean, but I really don't use it. I haven't used it yet. The temperature has been really good. It's been in the ballpark of about 65 to 70. So that's really good. And for the most part, I kind of like it like that. It's not too hot, it's not too cool. It's just kind of in between, you know. But anyway, as moving on. Our house came furnished, so that's a good thing. Came furnished, and so basically all we have to do is move in and maybe do a little bit of cleaning up here and there, but hey, that's expected. You know, when you move into a place, you gotta kind of make it your own. You gotta kind of like, you know, do the add and subtract. You know, you add things, which is whatever you brought, and plus subtract the things that you don't want. So who's that over there? Somebody's on the couch that doesn't want to get seen. Looks a cabinet space. That's a cabinet space. A little spacious area right here for the 5-year-old to kind of like play and frolic and do her thing and hang out and put all of her stuff, kind of like keep it in one area. I'm kind of like one of those guys that like to keep things organized. So there you go. Yes, I brought the Xbox. I'm an Xbox guy. Gamer, old school gamer. One of the things I knew I was gonna keep by my side was my Xbox, so that's one of the things I brought along with me. I was kind of wondering if I can actually use it here in Asia, but yes, you can use your American Xbox in Asia. This is the Xbox One, and back in the day, for gamers, this is specific for gamers, that you needed like a regional code for Xbox or any gaming system if you was like in a different country, but no longer needed a regional code, so you could take your Xbox from America to whatever country you go to, my man, you know, and you will have some fun. Any stash? I made sure I bought a ton of games before I left, because I know once I got here I wasn't gonna be buying games. I'm just gonna play what I have. And when I was in the military, I didn't game a whole lot, so all the games I didn't catch up on, I'm going to catch up on, along with everything else I'm going to be doing. And what do you call living your dreams and so on. Anyway, here's the kitchen. Very spacious. Kitchen table. Lots of cabinet space, as you can see. Everything. Refrigerator, like I said, the fan. And this actually is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath house. So with vaulted ceilings, which little storage area right here to store anything that's not needed. With a little face basin for a 5-year-old or anyone that needs to use a face basin. As you can see, it's a stairwell that goes all the way up. Got a vaulted ceiling with a skylight up there. Let some extra light into the house. Let's go upstairs. Little design on the wall. We have a little shrine set up to Lady Buddha. Namo Zira Pat, Namo Zira Pat, Namo Zira Pat, Namo Zira Pat. Gotta pay your respect to Lady Buddha, who is a big part of Danang. This is the 5-year-old's bedroom. Like I said earlier, it did come furnished. So it came with beds, closets, dressing tables, all that good stuff. Bathrooms I love because open out bathrooms. When I say open out, I mean like it's very ventilated, so you don't get a lot of moisture trapped within the bathroom, which is really, really cool. You don't get all that algae and all that moldy stuff. And also it's a Western style bathroom, so it's separated, and that's one of the major things I wanted when I came here. Was that I wanted a Western style bathroom, not the Vietnamese style, which is open now. Hot water. For the most part, we don't use the hot water because it's a tropical country, and you really don't need to use hot water much. Just use, because the waters are like lukewarm already as is. You know what I'm saying? So all you have to do is just turn on the water, and it's slightly warm, and hop in, my man, hop in. Lots of bags. 8 bags, 2 boxes, 2 suitcases, backpack, 2 backpacks, etc. This is the 2nd bedroom. Once again, Western style bathroom. This one's slightly set up a little bit differently. Yeah, I love it, man. I love the bathrooms. Yeah, boy! They did come with 2 flat screen TVs. The computer is mine, the tablet is mine, but the desk and everything, I mean the little entertainment center it came with, and the TV it came with, and the fan. That's the balcony right there. We'll go out there in a second. But over here, we have the 2nd bed, and a little table stand, nightstand right next to it. Got my little rack over there, which it also came with. Rain jacket. The jacket belongs to my wife. Got me a little hat collection. In terms of closets are very spacious. I open it up so you can actually take a look, see, you know, that's my wife's handbags right there. I actually had a lot more clothes than that, so I gave away a lot of stuff. I gave away, so I could actually make this trip possible. We have an option of basically getting our own sheets, which my wife have decided to get our own sheets, so we are going to get our own sheets and stuff. Right now, we're using the sheets that they gave us. I mean, like I said, everything comes furnished here for you in Southeast Asia, and it's kind of cool. So, like I say, all you got to do is move yourself in and get situated, and later on you can make any changes you want to make, you know what I'm saying? This is my duffel bag here full of shoes. Yes, I need a shoe rack, please. I need a shoe rack. I got about 42 pairs of shoes in there. Yeah, definitely need a shoe rack. So I'm living out of a bag right now in terms of shoes. When I need a pair of shoes, I need to get in my bag and get a pair of shoes. Anyway, balcony area. Pretty cool. It's the other house next to this over there. It's downstairs on the top from the second floor. Down the street. Next door neighbors across the street. Another house right here. My next door neighbors. They seem to be higher than them. But it's okay, it's cool. We're kind of in between. So yeah, this is me house, man. We actually leased the house for a year, and the lady that leased it to us is very nice. Her name is Julie. Her and her husband both are very nice people. They're very accommodating in terms of our needs and everything, and she really helped us out a lot. It's a definitely good price. If anybody wants to know what the price is, hey, contact me or send me an inbox message. I'll let you guys know. A couple people already know what the price is, close friends, but it's way under $1,000, I should say. But at the same time, it's well worth the price, and I love it. So without further ado, it's like my best thing right here. It says here, I create my reality, and that is true. Create your own reality. Don't get it. Alright? Peace.